cool, very cool. So let me see them real quick. This one, nigga. Take it. Damn. Okay, one's yellow and then one has red on it. That's how you can tell. Damn, yeah, this is really cool. This is what he's unboxing right here. This LDrago. Lightning LDrago?
Yeah.
This Lightning LDrago. Hoping for barrage and smashing.
Here we go. First one.
Now you have to like rip it open and shit. Like it's black. There's a black sealing, bro.
Yeah. The stickers show it.
Oh really?
Yeah, they.
Okay, then I think it's the barrage one. I'm sorry.
That's the random booster card.
I'm sorry.
Let's just do bit.
It's flat, right?
Flat.
Flat. The blade. Oh no, that's not the blade. I'm retarded. 160. Now that's the blade.
The blade.
I don't know which one that is though. Look at the stickers.
We're looking at the we're looking at the Japanese looking letters. This is before the stickers. I think it's the same deal for all of them, right?
What do you mean? You got diddled.
Did I get diddled?
I think you got diddled. Oh no, wait. That's
Oh, I got it.
Wait, what do you mean?
I got it.
I can't tell the difference.
Yo.
Oh yeah, for real.
Yo.
Yeah, I couldn't tell, bro. It's hard to tell for real.
Yeah, so the dragon heads cover the smash bits. Yep.
It's cool as fuck.
Nice looking one.
Yo.
Test launched with both. Alright, we're gonna use, what is this? The barrage?
Yeah.
Barrage attack one first.
Nah, whatever. We don't care. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh, pocket. Okay.
Now you gotta show him the blade.
The barrage. That was Samurai?
I was up against 770.
Second one.
3, 2, 1.
Ow! That one, damn, that 160 hurt.
Dang.
Alright.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
First go.
Oh wait, hold on.
Suspense steel.
Yo!
Yo,
Almost.
Marcos, are you cleaning the LDrago or am I?
I am.
I am, bro.
I have to, bro.
Dang.
But I'll let you decide which one you get. I'll let you decide which one. All right. So now we're using upper. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Does quite a bit of damage. Very shaky. Alright. Hold on, what the fuck is this? Alright.
He's got some chili. Motherfuckers made him bounce.
Alright. 3, 2, 1. Damn, you put Ryu gun. You put Ryu on the coffin.
Are you serious?
For real. Alright. And battle both of them together?
Yeah.
Stock
Such a
versus
fun
stock.
concept.
My bad.
Bound point.
You gonna watch your head, Todd.
3, 2, 1.
It's like a fidget toy. It's like a fidget bay.
Fidget bag.
Why is it loud?
3, 2, 1. Left spin.
No
Ah,
sense.
Marcos one.
On the elevator?
Alright, wait, use somebody else.
Alright, that's you.
3, 2, 1.
Could it be? Try again.
Let's see. Again. 3, 2, 1.
Yo, it
I
did.
need to start doing lunges.
3, 2, 1. Elevate just bursts really easily though. That's just how it is on Cobalt too.
Is it good?
3, 2, 1.